What's funny, Rach? What's funny?
Picture. You laughing?
Tell me a bit about the history and all the immigrants. Tell me more. Let's have a little look, shall we? Why she got me laughing? Right. If I pan up one of the original immigrants, let's pan down to find out her name. Let me zoom in here. His name was... Oh. Oh. Let's have a little look. And his name was... Oh. Taking it all in.